Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You know Vikas?
Sir?
You know Ram?
Yes,
Ram is strong.
yes,
Ram is intelligent.
yes, yes.
Ram is a farmer.
Oh, yes.
Ram is a teacher.
Yeah,
Ram is a singer.
yeah, yeah.
Ram is a kind person.
Yes.
Ram is an intelligent person.
Oh, yes.
Okay, goodbye, Vikas.
Goodbye, sir.
This sentence is regarding the positive talk. Okay. Now, Vikas will give the steps and I will give the reply. So let's focus. Now, Vikas.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
You know,
Yes.
Ram is not good boy.
Sorry, this sentence is gone for negative. So I think we first go for positive, then negative. Okay. Start with the positive.
Positive. Okay, sir. Ram is good boy.
Yeah, yeah. Ram is a good boy.
He is smart.
Yes, yes, he's very smart.
He is intelligent.
Yeah, yeah.
He is honest.
Yes, sir. You are absolutely right.
He is good learner.
Yeah, yeah, he's also a good learner.
He is strong.
No, I don't think so.
He is weak.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, this communication or talking practice is positive. Now, I'm going to talk in a negative talk way like this. Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You know, Vikas,
Sir?
uh, Ram is not a good boy.
No.
Ram is not smart.
No, no.
Ram is not tall enough.
No, never.
Ram is not a kind man.
Oh, no.
Ram is not innocent.
No, not at all.
Ram is not a teacher.
No.
Ram is not a plumber.
No, no.
He's not a doctor.
No, no.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Now, your way. I will give the reply. You have to give the steps.
Okay.
Now start.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
You know,
Yes.
Ram is not a good farmer.
Yeah, yeah, you are right.
Ram is not a good teacher.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right.
Ram is not strong.
Yeah, yeah.
Ram is not a good student.
No, I don't think so.
Ram is not intelligent.
No, no, he's very intelligent. You don't know.
Ram is not smart.
Yes, yes, maybe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now, we are going to talk about interrogative talking process. Here, small changes will be taken. That is, at the case of when we are going to ask an interrogative question, we have to change it into well. For suppose, let's see the example so that you will observe and know how to talk in interrogative form. The introduction should be like, "Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?"
I am fine, thank you.
Well, Vikas,
Sir?
is Ram intelligent?
Yes.
Is Ram arrogant?
Yes, yes.
Is Ram smart?
Yeah.
Is Ram good?
Yeah, yeah.
Is Ram a teacher?
Oh, yes.
Is Ram a plumber?
Oh, yeah.
Is Ram a government employee?
Yes, yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Here we talk about Ram in positive interrogative way. Now, Vikas will ask me, tell the steps, and I will give the reply to him. So let's see how he's giving.
Positive interrogative, sir.
Yeah, positive interrogative.
Okay, sir.
Now, steps.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Well, sir,
Yes.
is Ram good boy?
Yeah, yeah, he's very good.
Is Ram a good teacher?
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
Is Ram smart?
Oh no.
Is Ram intelligent?
Yes, maybe.
Is Ram strong boy?
Yeah, yeah, I think he's very strong.
Is Ram weak?
Maybe he's weak.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye. And friends, I will not waste your time. The last part is negative interrogative. It will be something serious, like a serious reaction. I hope you will like aggressive reply, aggressive steps. So I love to give negative interrogative replies. So I will go through steps, and Vikas will give the reply. Okay, Vikas, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
Good morning, Vikas.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Well, Vikas,
Yes, sir.
you know Ram
Yeah.
is not good. Is not he a good boy?
No, no.
Is not he a smart person?
No, no.
Is not he tall?
Oh, no.
Is not he white?
No, never.
Is not he arrogant?
No, not at all.
Is not he intelligent?
No, no, no.
Is not he smart?
Oh, no.
Okay, this type of reactions, when we get aggressive, at that case the negative interrogative will come like this. I hope you all understood this process. Now I want to start the same steps process from Vikas. Let's see how he is playing his role in negative interrogative form. Now start.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Well, sir,
Yes.
is Ram not a good boy?
Yeah, he's not so good.
Is Ram not a good teacher?
No, I don't think so.
I think is Ram not a good farmer?
No, he's a good farmer. I saw him.
Is Ram smart boy?
Yes, he's very smart.
Is Ram not a intelligent boy?
No, he is good enough, intelligent to survive in Earth.
Is Ram not strong boy?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, friends, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow me. And also, if you want to learn something new and something extraordinary, practical classes, and to take confidence from myself, please join MGM Coaching Center in Raigada so that you will feel confident while you are talking with your friends and colleagues in English. I hope you love this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.